Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're diving into the world of creating stunning clip art using AI tools. We won't be discussing Midjourney this time. Instead, we'll explore alternative AI tools that can help you craft creative and captivating clip art designs for sale. Before we begin, take a look at this free pick account. It's a treasure trove of clip art designs, and it's earning its creator quite a tidy sum. Now, let's get started. Our today AI tool of the day is artmator.io. To get started, you'll need to sign up on their platform. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by an interface like this. Here, you can style your photos, redraw them, and even remove unwanted objects from your images. Now, let's create our own clip art using the By Text option. In the prompt section, I'll paste a prompt I prepared earlier. Then, I'll select the style that matches the look I want for my image or clip art. In this case, I'm going with the sticker vector style. Next, you can choose your preferred model. After that, simply hit the Generate button, and your image will start to take shape. Artmator.io provides you with 20 free coins. If you opt for the paid version, you'll get more coins and an ad-free experience. If you're using the free version, you'll need to be patient for about 30 seconds. Now, our image has been generated, and it looks fantastic. You can create more images like this, vectorize them, and put them up for sale. To download your image, click on it, open it in a new tab, and then save it. That concludes our exploration of the first AI tool for today, which allows you to generate clip arts for sale. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into another remarkable AI tool. Until then, goodbye.